Back in 2015, I decided to give up the house I was renting and purchased a 24-foot cabin cruiser to live aboard. Originally, the windscreen was made of aluminium. After purchasing the boat, I attempted to cruise back to my hometown, a journey of around 114 miles, or 7 to 10 days. We were faced with a number of issues, including engine troubles and closures. Eventually, we came across a big barge blocking the canal with a sign saying "Canal closed." At this point, I'd had enough and just wanted to get back, as winter was fast approaching, so I hired a lorry to take it via the road. This is how it arrived. My windscreen had been ripped off on the motorway. I couldn't believe my eyes. Finding a replacement was impossible, and winter was fast approaching. So I had no choice. I had to make one myself. I started by making a template. Getting the angles right was not an easy task, and then there was the canopy to consider. Eventually I got everything to line up and proceeded to make the final build. It wasn't perfect, as I'm no joiner, but it lasted a good few years. Eventually though, it started to fall apart, mainly due to the poor quality of the wood I had available at the time of the build. I knew I had to start again before it gave way completely. I managed to get a hardwood board and proceeded to split it into sections I needed. I then fixed it all together and gave it a coat of brown paint. I used 1.5mm perspex as glass, and that was a mistake. I chiselled out a recess and glued and screwed it into place. Then came time to install it to the boat. It's all fully removable and held in place with brass sash window locks. I then installed the fittings for the canopy. Now a few years have passed and thin perspex has cracked and needs to be replaced. This time I intend to use a thicker 5mm perspex, and also a slight change to the design. I'll be filming the process, so keep an eye out for that if you're interested. If you made it this far into the video, then thank you.